From bustling international hubs to regional gateways that connect communities, every journey, terminal, and concourse holds possibility. When every traveler feels welcomed, every airline partner supported, and every team member empowered to succeed, there's no challenge you can't overcome. With over 100 years of experience, ABM keeps spaces and places operating at their best. Through expert engineering and maintenance and comprehensive cleaning, we ensure comfort and ease from curb to cabin. We make every journey effortless with reliable shuttle services, passenger teams ready to assist at every touchpoint, and efficient aircraft services that keep operations on schedule. Backed by data, powered by technology, and delivered by our self-performing teams of 14,000 aviation specialists, ABM transforms possibility into reality and airports into destinations.